guys, welcome back to Sunshine and Sparkles. This is Aishwarya and today I'll be sharing a video where I bought makeup products worth rupees 50k. Yes, you heard that right, it's almost 50k. So I myself have been laughing out loud on myself for buying so much, but it is one of my favorite brands and guess where it's come from. So without wasting any time, let's get on to the video. So this is the package that it's come from. As you can see, it is huge and I can't fit this into this frame. So yes, obviously I did open it because I don't have the patience to wait to make a video and then open the packaging. I'm a very impatient woman, girl, lady, whatever you would like to call me. So first of all, the packing has a lot of bubble wraps to protect my package at least. And now it's time for the products. So these are the two eyeshadow palettes that are Sand and Purple. That is a new launch from Huda Beauty, the Sand Haze and the Purple Haze. This one being the first, this is the Sand Haze. And then this one, which is the Purple Haze. So if we talk about the packaging is great and it's just like the Nude Obsessions palette and every palette that they have, like all the plastic body that they have, and it is pretty good. Let's see how it feels like after opening it. So what I feel is that this completely looks like how the nude palettes looked, that is the rich and the medium ones. So let's open this up. So these are the colors that we're talking about here, and these are inspired by the sand and this is actually inspired from the Dubai sands, I feel. And this has more tones from the Desert Dusk palette, as I can see here. Like it's got golden, it's got purple, it's got shimmery, pinkish purple, it's got nudes. So I love this palette completely. Nudes are one of my favorite palette. Next we have this Purple Haze, which has a beautiful purple body. It is translucent. Let's open this up, and with the nails it's a bit difficult, but we've managed to open this. So this is how it looks like. It has all the shades of purple in it and looks really beautiful. It's got a dark purple tone, it's got a pinkish purple, it's got pink shimmers, it's got a silver shimmer with mixture of pink, and then it's got nude shades to for the transition shade as well. Next, let's move on to this package right here, and this was one of their sets from the Sand Haze collection, which has their lipsticks, the 4 lipsticks that are their best selling and the most loved. They've got new shades as well, I guess, and also the khaki palette from the Haze collection. So as you can see, this is how it looks like right here. This is how the packaging looks like. This is the bag, and this is how the contents of the packaging look like, and it's super beautiful. So this is the Khaki Haze Khaki Haze from Huda Beauty, the newly launched palette, and this looks beautiful. The packaging outside is green and I love the vibe of it. So this is how the palette looks like from the inside. These are such beautiful colors. As you can see, there's golden, there's browns, there's purples, there's greens, a little bit of the khaki color that and all of that, and the colors look so great. So this is what it is. So the first one is Billionaire, and this looks somewhat like this dark brown bossy shade. Oh my god, I love this. I love this. Next, we are going into the shade Venus. Venus is one of the older shades, as you know, and this is a very light color, just like maybe Day Slayer from Demi Matte collection of Huda Beauties. Next we have here is Savage. This is also a matte shade, and oh my god, this also looks beautiful. It's got a rosy undertone, like a dull rose undertone to it, as you can see. And the last but not the least, we have this in Legend, and this seems like a pinky matte shade, like a dull rose pinky matte shade. Yeah, I'm right about it. So these are the 4 shades that you see right here that are from the Haze collection. Next we have in line is the new Wishful Get Even Rose Oil, which is a beautiful rose oil, and the reviews are great. Let's open this up. So this is how the packaging looks like from the outside. It's a little bit of light pink with white, and then when we open it, we've got this kind of a bottle right here. As you can see, this has got rose, carrot seed, rose hip and baobab, and this is a plastic bottle, and it is great for traveling purpose because if you drop it, it won't, you know, just break. So this is how the oil looks like, and let's see the smell. And the smell is amazing. Oh my god, I am in love with the smell and I can't wait to try this stuff. Next, what I have with me is this Wishful Honey Balm Jelly Moisturizer, which looks like this. This is how the packaging looks like. I've heard a lot of reviews about this, and it has really helped people with their pores, and it's a great moisturizer for before makeup use. And this is how the inside of it looks like. It's just like the Clean Genie. So it has lavender, honey, niacinamide and turmeric, all of 4 products which help the skin to, you know, battle all the problems that you have, acne or anything. Oh my god, this smells so great and so soothing. It smells completely like lavender, and it is the most soothing scent that I have, you know, I've ever seen in this world. So what we have next is the Huda Beauty brushes, obviously, because I was not getting all of the brushes here. So first of all, we have this face and body highlighting powder brush, which looks like this. Then we have the Huda Beauty Face Buff and Blend Complexion brush, which looks like this. And all of these products have been packaged so carefully that they don't even, you know, I don't think so that they would even destroy while they come here. Next is this Wishful Moisturizing Wand, which comes with the moisturizer that I showed you earlier, and the packaging is great as well. Next, I have the Huda Beauty Face and Conceal Blend brush. So this is how it looks like, as you know. So these are like 2-ended brushes all together. Next, I have this Face Bake and Blend Dual Ended Setting Complexion brush, and this is how it looks like. Next, what we have here is their Glow Cocoa Hydrating Mist. So this is how the packaging looks like. It's complete white and I like it. This is supposed to be a moisturizing spray for your face. And this is how it looks like. Let's see how it smells. Oh, it smells like coconut and is heavenly, and is giving me all the beach vibes that I really need. I can't wait to try these products. Next, I have 3 of the lipstick forms, I guess, and this is their Power Bullet matte lipstick. So one of them is Bachelor Honeymoon. Sorry, I thought I ordered Bachelorette. See, this is what the confusion feels like. So the first one is Honeymoon, and this is a beautiful pink shade. Let's swatch this also right here. As you can see, this is a really beautiful pink shade right here. Rosy pink shade that I really love. Next is this shade in the name Interview, and this is how the packaging looks like, as you can see. And let's swatch this baby up. We'll swatch it right here. This is a beautiful rosy nude color, as you can see, this color right here. Next is this sparkly lip balm in Seductress, as you can see, and the packaging looks so gorgeous. So let's swatch this too, because obviously we're swatching everything. Oh my god, and the glitter vibe from the lip balm, if you can see this right here, the glitter. Next, what I have here are two packages which have their towels and the headbands that they give in the PR packaging, which when they launched all of their skincare products. So this is the one in green, and the other one, I guess, that is in yellow. Just a minute. So the other one, this one was with the YoGlow enzyme scrub, which they launched, and this was in yellow, as you can see. And the last but not the least was this brush set, which had come out with the Mercury Retrograde palette, and which had also come out with this beautiful bag, this beautiful holographic bag. So let's take these out of the bag. So this was a set of 3 eyeshadow brushes, as you can see, and this is how it looks like. This is the blending brush, this is the application brush, and this is the the precise brush that you use to apply glitter and all of that. So this is that. I am so happy with the packaging and the products that I received from Huda Beauty, and these are great, and I'm so in love with all of these products, and I can't wait to put my hands on it. So if you like this video and if you like this unboxing, then do like this video, comment down below and share it with your friends and family. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon to get all the updates. I post videos every Sunday at 6 p.m. So do not forget to subscribe to my channel and watch my videos. This is me signing off. Bye.